Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, I am a certified STEM teacher, and some of what I teach involves VEX robotics. In this video, you will see us designing, programming, building, and testing various types of robots. If you can see in this video, on this clip, we are actually building an assembly line. Everyone worked together in different teams, and within those teams, they were responsible for building some parts of the assembly line. And as you can see, it works really, really well. Sometimes.
Wow.
That's not even gonna work.
You're gonna have to do it.
Alright, stop.
Ready.
I'll wait because Sean. One, go.
Yes.
Third. Second. First. You can go from 1 to 2. From 2 to 3. From 3 to 2. To 1. Yeah. 1 to 3. 3 back to 1.
And then drop straight.
Now on this one, you'll notice that the chain is a little bit too loose on the left-hand side. So to fix that, what we would do is remove one of the links in that chain, as well as replace the battery.
Ooh, and reverses.
Since I am also one of the advisors for our competitive robotics team, we use a lot of these parts every day that we meet because we have to build different types of contraptions and also make sure our vehicle does what it's supposed to do in the competition, depending on what the competition is set to do. Sometimes the competition requires you to pick up different objects, or it requires you to go extremely fast.
Turn it back off and back on.
So you got a bad battery connection, it flipped the red, this happens a lot, so you should be alright.
So those who are not familiar with VEX Robotics may wonder, how are you making these things move? Well, we're making them move because we programmed it to move. We program every single thing. If we want it to go in a circle, we have to program it to do that. If we wanted to stop at a certain line on the floor, we program it to do that. If we wanted to turn around, or if we wanted to go over another vehicle, we program it to do that. So yes, we program everything on the robot from scratch so that it can move how it's supposed to move. There's the various amounts of parts that go along with it. Yes, it is expensive, but in the end, it's a lot of fun, and I think everyone would enjoy it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone watching all the way until the end. Please subscribe. We're off to the races to go and race all robots. Have a good day. And don't forget, today is a new opportunity for a new adventure.